in the night at about 12:50 hours, and the militants came towards the camp, and then they fired on the camp. Blast was also there. Actually the almost storm kind of thing was taking place, so it was quite dark. Forces retaliated, but before that, before the retaliation, at least they fired on the camp inmates. The 4 personnel got serious injuries, out of which 2 have succumbed to their injuries. This is a very ghastly and very bad kind of retaliation done against the forces. Till now, these kind of actions were not, because forces have come from far-flung areas to maintain peace in this part of the country, where. Hello.
अमर रहे, अमर रहे, शहीद सरकार, अमर रहे, अमर रहे.
This kind of ghastly act they have done, and we will find it out. Investigation will definitely be done with very serious earnest, and we will take all action against them. From today onwards only, we have directed all the forces. Here the IJR East, South is there, then Corps Commander, the GOC is there, DG is there. We just held a small meeting here, and we are making a plan on day-to-day working out of the things like combing operation in the whole areas, and during the investigation we will find out who has done it, and we will not spare them. We will not spare them. We will bring them to the court of law, and all whatever they have done, they will have to pay for it as per law of the land.
So which group you suspect, sir? Which group?
That is at the very nascent stage of the investigation. I can't exactly say, but you can very well anticipate and understand whatever group in that area is active. I don't need to repeat the names. You all know which kind of group is active in that area.
So do you suspect it as intelligence panel, sir? Do you tell me as an intelligence?
No, you see, question. Intelligence is a very broad subject. Intelligence failure can be attributed at any drop of the hat. It's not. We were expecting that they are going to attack any of the forces, and this is the first time that they have attacked the forces. Because in the forces, they were none of the militants of Meiteis or Kukis. They were not attacking the forces, because forces have come to maintain peace, and that is how we are in the middle of both the communities, so that at least whenever there is a problem, seeing the central forces and even both the sides, they call these kind of forces CRP, BSF and Army, Assam Rifle neutral forces. They themselves say neutral forces. So if they are neutral forces, why are you attacking the neutral forces? Whoever has done it, they will have to pay a very heavy price of this, and we will take all steps, and we will put all agencies and find it out who has done it, and he will be booked as per the law of the land.
Any recovery in the operation there?
Recovery?
Any recovery or areas in the operation?
Conducting since morning, so
No, operation is going on. It won't be proper for me to divulge the way we are conducting the operation and the way we are investigating.
So what is the motive of the attack, sir? What do you suspect?
There are so many things which come to mind. There are so many things which come to mind. Like earlier also you might have seen that now groups are attacking the national infrastructure, like the road, like the tower line. Now as a guesswork it goes that they are attacking central forces. How can that go? It cannot be tolerated. All things will be put against them to find it out. Kaise ho raha hai, kyun ho raha hai, and we will take it out.
So knowing the fact Kuki was involved, Kuki militant was involved, but how the authorities are being silent on this issue? And
What?
Kuki militants were involved, but the officers are not in the position to name actually.
Name of what?
No, the Kuki militants. Why so?
No, who is saying? Who is saying?
All villagers, whoever knows about that, because that area is not known to the public, the Meitei group. Because had a post being posted out.
No, who is not saying? Whoever is not saying, go and ask him. Why are you asking me that who they are maintaining or not? No, security advisor does not mean that I tell on the name of others that why they are not naming.
Okay.
It is their problem whether they are naming or not. You go and ask them.
Okay.
Whatever I had to say, I have said. Okay. Whoever is not saying, you go and ask them.
So isn't it the right time for the security forces to react to those armed militants?
That's what I am saying. That's what I am saying with my all honest.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.